And I only have a small, well, small compared to my hair, but it's a lot for me since I'm new to this. My hair is so thick, but it's a pretty good grade, so I detangled it all before I started, which was the good part. It took a good while, but I did it. So I probably have about a good, I would say about a good 10 to 15 braids left to do. I want to be done. I don't know how people do this. Maybe on somebody else's head I could do a better job and quicker, but it seems like it's taking me forever. And then I have to do it between the kids and things and cooking, cleaning, you know. But hey, I fell asleep trying to do it last night. I just went ahead and got me a nap in.
Got some good sleep in because I knew I wanted to get it done today. So I am trying my best to get this done today.
Who's with me? Give me a big thumbs up for your girl, Mama Mia, because, yeah, I did this. I really did. I did this. I'm proud of myself. Hey, okay. So let me finish. I'll be back. I'm so excited, you guys. Yes, I'll do my little baby hairs at the end. But this is all that I have left to do. So it's just a little update time. So as you can see, that's probably about 3 braids. I'm living for this moment, you guys.
Okay, I'm sorry about the lighting. It's just where I gotta put it at. I gotta be in front of a mirror, you guys. Okay, it's time to put it into some hot water. So I just want to give you a little process. Let's get you a few braids. Towel. Let's just go ahead and do this real quickly. Okay, you guys, let's get some honest opinions. I'm done. I finished with the ends. And I'm very proud of myself. I'm feeling good. I look 1000% better than what I was looking for. I'm looking 1000% better. The edges and everything is good. I mean, and they're in there good, you guys. Look how good I put these braids in. I really think I did a great job. First time, yeah, it was a little difficult. I'm sorry I done lifted my lash, messing with the braids, but it was worth it. It was worth every moment that I spent doing these braids, and I'm very proud of myself. And hey, like I say, can't do nothing but get better. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Yes. Give me love. Give me love. Yes. I'm loving my braids. Yes. Oh, and I never had the color. Well, if I have, I just had a little bit. So this is really new and different for me. Well, I guess I'm gonna practice on the girls' hair. I already purchased the hair for my daughter, so I guess I'll start working on her hair. Either tonight or tomorrow. I'm proud. Let me get a big thumbs up, y'all. Smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the Crazy 8 because what? We popping, y'all. We popping. And you know why? Because we're getting so many subs, y'all. We really, really love you guys. We really, really appreciate it. This weekend we popped over in the 20,000 sub category, so we are excited. Yes, we are. And we thank y'all because we could not do it without you guys. So with the kids going back to school and everything has just been a lot lately. Whew. But we're getting settled. so we'll get a better schedule and bring you good videos. We're just going to give you some good videos. So you want to make sure that you're subscribed to the Crazy 8. Make sure you smash that like, and be sure to grab your satin bonnet to protect your hair at night, to help with the breakage and to keep your braids intact. This one comes in all different colors and it's extra large, so I just want to get black so it can be typical in case I have to run out or anything.